Hey guys, welcome to another edition of Lexzai vlogs. Today I'll be teaching you how to make money online just by reading news. The techniques are so simple. There are so many sites in which you can use to earn money by reading news. Yeah, we have Wakanda, we have NNU, we have Newspay, but we are going to concentrate on NNU because that's the highest paying news page for now. So now I'll be giving you the step-by-step procedures on how to make money by reading news. And as you can see, that's my account in which I'm using to earn money on NNU. There are so many ways in which you can use to earn money on the platform. You can earn money through referral. You can earn money through reading news. If you refer, you are going to get 1,000 naira for each referral you make. And if you read news, you are going to be earning 2 naira per news. And if you comment, that is 1 naira. Can't you see you can be making thousands of naira daily with NNU? And the full meaning of NNU is Nigerian News Update. They are very updated, and it's a legal site being owned by Paul Sampson. As you can see, I'm already showing you the procedures. Excuse me. I'm already showing you the things we are going to be doing on the blog. So now, how do we go about it? So now let's join NNU. I'm going. The link to join is in the description button. Don't forget to click the description button. Now I'm the referrer. I'm the one referring you. You can just add Lexzai. So fill your details and click make payment. So don't forget to click the pay stack payment mode and checking the terms and condition. Now this is the page. Now let me show you. I'm going to log in my own account. So after registration, you are going to log in after you might have made your payment. So now because I've made my payment and I already have an account. So then let's start reading news and let's see how the magic works. Let's see how it works. Now, if you noticed, I have 8,000 plus, but in order to let me show you, I have 8,886 naira. But if I should 8,856 naira, sorry, now, and I have 3,000 naira for referral. So now let's start. Let me just pick from somewhere. I'm just opening the tab randomly for you to see the magic. Excuse me. So for you to see the magic, yeah. So I'm already opening new tabs. So let's open like 6 to 7. So I'm going to open new tabs and for you to see the magic. Yeah. So now let's see. Let's check our account first. Yeah, so you're going to refresh the page. As you can see, the amount has has increased. So now let me just close the tab. So I now you can there if for you to get, I have a blog in which I'm using to advertise NNU, which is exclusiveplay.com. That's my blog. I promote songs on the platform. I promote videos, business. I do promotion generally. I do video animations and everything on the blog. So now I'm advertising NNU just to get referral from the site. So now the blog is already loading. So what I'm just going to do now is just excuse me, is just to copy and paste the HTML on my blog and start making money. Now I'll show you the advertisement I have on my blog concerning NNU. So let's scroll down. Let's scroll down, sorry. Let's scroll down. Let's scroll down. So here we go. So this is an advert of an NNU on my blog. So this thing is legal and I won't introduce you to something illegal. That's so that's my blog. As you can see, I promote music and entertainment videos majorly. As you can see, that's another advert of NNU. Now, sorry. Okay. So that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I promise to dish out more and more updates on for you. Thank you so much. I'm very grateful. Have a wonderful day. Bye.